My name is Angie and I like to promote creativity in others. And today I have been inspired by a purse from a list video and we're going to go ahead and recreate that purse. Here is our inspiration picture. So what I have is this round purse here. It is completely flat on the back. Now that's not the color of purse I want to use. We are going to also be using some spray paint. We have some fake flowers of any type of your choosing. You do need a hot glue gun. You can also use E6000, which is totally permanent. Depending on the flowers you have, you might need some wire cutters or some scissors. Let's go ahead and get started with our project. So the first thing we need to do is take this purse and tape it off, which we're going to need some tape. I'm going to be using the tape to tape around the zipper. What I need to go and do first is actually spray this bag. So you might not need to do this part, but now we're gonna go ahead and put some tape over our zipper. It's always fun finding the end of the tape. What I'm trying to do is get the tape inside here just perfect in between the two pieces of fabric that it's connected to. And it doesn't have to be painter's tape, it can be any kind of tape as long as it fits your zipper. This is actually electrical tape. We're going to go ahead and spray this. I will be right back with a spray painted purse. I have painted the purse white. So let's go ahead and get started with this project. And I do want you to keep in mind, though this is our inspiration picture, it is only an inspiration. So I'm going to do it how I would do it if I was me, which I am. So, alright, so we have our bouquet of flowers. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the flowers and leaves. There's some leaves on this as well. And I'll be right back with you. So we are first going to get started by placing leaves all over the front of the purse. After we place the leaves on the purse, that's when we're going to start placing our flowers on the purse. So let's get started with the leaves. I'm going to use these around the very outside, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of turn them in towards the zipper and glue them, but not glue them on the zipper. And I will overlap these just a little bit on top of each other so there's no gaps. So I think you get the gist of it. I'm just going to go ahead and cover the rest of the outside and I'll be right back with you. So I'll just show you the sides here. The next thing we are going to do is glue some leaves onto the purse to cover the whole front of the purse. Let's get started with putting the flowers on the purse, the most exciting part. So let's just kind of do a little layout here and see what we think. I'm kind of feeling like we should start by having these 3 flowers go around. So that's what we're going to do. And you want to put a pretty hefty amount of glue on your flower. I think we'll come in with some of these little pink flowers. It doesn't have to be symmetrical. We have these little purple flowers right here. Purple and bluish. I'm just making this up as I go, so hopefully everything turns out great in the end. But just trust the process because I'm very creative and everything always turns out great in the end. We want this to have a layered look, so I'm not trying to put everything separated from each other. I'm trying to get everything close to each other. We also have some yellow flowers. We have some little baby's breath. And we also have some, I believe, lilac. Let's go ahead and place some of these yellow flowers. Next, we are going to use this lilac and place it on the purse. Still a little bare down here, so I'm going to take some more of these yellow flowers really quick and fill that in. We'll take some more lilac and put that on. Right, and very last we have our baby's breath. Very beautiful. I love baby's breath. Now that we are done with the front of the purse, we are going to go ahead and cover the back of the purse. So we don't want our flowers to be crushed when we're gluing the back. So what you want to do is find some kind of container. I found this one. And you'll just put your piece in there and kind of make sure that there's nothing, sticking out that should be tucked in, and make sure it's nice and sturdy because you need something that is going to hold the purse so you can push down on it to glue the leaves on. I've already glued one leaf on. I'm doing the same thing around the side of this as I did around the front side. So I'm just going to take these flowers and put some glue on them. Flowers. I'm going to take these leaves and put some glue on them and glue them around the outside of the purse. If you've got this far in the video, thank you so much, and a thumbs up would be so much appreciated just for my hard work here. It's totally free to give a thumbs up, so that would be really awesome. It would help my channel. And if you're enjoying stuff like this, I have a lot of other arts and crafts on my channel, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I'm using a thimble now to hold down the pieces that I've glued. That works pretty well. I suggest you use a thimble when you're doing this. There's all kinds of things that you can grab from the kitchen to support your purse, so I'm sure you'll find something. Now we're just going to be putting on the rest of the leaves, and you can just put the hot glue all over the leaf. This is such a fun project. I am like having so much fun doing this, and I'm so excited to see the final results. Oh my gosh, because this is going to be the most gorgeous purse in the whole entire world. Like Gucci got nothing on this. The only thing that I don't like about using hot glue is all of those strings. They're just so lovely. I got the purse at the thrift store. Flowers I got at the thrift store. So you don't have to go spend a bunch of money on brand new stuff. We have the whole bottom covered with leaves, but not all squished or anything, so that worked out really well. Now that we have our purse all the way covered front and back, it's time to work on the handle. What we're going to do is paint the handle with this beautiful rose gold color. Where I got it is from Folkart Metallics. It might take us a couple of layers to get this done, but that's not a problem at all. And I'm just starting with this first part right here, brushing the paint, and I'm going to put a pretty hefty amount of paint on this. And I'm not going to worry about any of this needing movement because I have adjusted the purse exactly the length that I needed. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the rest of this handle off camera. I think you get the gist of it. So I'll see you when I'm done painting the handle. Hello! I am done with the purse. Here it is. So as you can see, the handles are all painted. See that? And here is the back of the purse. And then here are the sides. And I went ahead and cut off the area by the zipper. And let me show you what it looks like on. I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you'd like to leave a super thanks, I'll show you what that looks like right up here. And if you have not given this video a thumbs up, that would be fantastic. I am so thankful for all of you that have subscribed to my channel. I'm almost up to 10,000 subscribers, so if you would subscribe, that would make my day. In addition, I wanted to let you know there will be more tutorials coming out, more sewing tutorials as well. So don't worry about that. It's just taking me a little bit to get those tutorials finished. So I'll get those out for you guys. And I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. And I will see you in the next upload. Peace out.